How to not get catfished on Grindr. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, we will discuss how to not get catfished on Grindr. So let's start. First of all, let me open the Grindr app and log into my account. When you log into your Grindr account, you will come to an interface like this. Now talking about not getting catfished on the app, there are a couple of things that you need to keep in mind while talking to strangers on the app. The first thing to do is to always ensure that the person you are talking to is a genuine one. So when you talk to any person on the app, make sure to try to connect with their legit social media sites, such as ask for their other social media usernames and check if the person is a genuine or not. The another thing that you can do is ask for a random specific kind of photos, such as holding today's newspaper or something like that. If the person sends the photo during the particular activity, it means that the person is real and is not using any random photos from the internet. Furthermore, the another thing that you can do is ask for the person to chat on the video call. This is one of the best methods to know that the other person is a real one. Finally, the last thing that you can do is to be careful on your part. Don't always trust fully on what they are saying. Think about the things on your part and make sure you are not easily trapped by applying some carefulness. Well, these are the methods that you can apply to not get catfished on Grindr. However, the most part of the responsibility lies with how you respond to people and their requests and so on. I hope you found the video helpful. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.